Hello everybody, this is Pun, and I just want to do a studio update. It's been a little while since I talked about the studio, but I am, really happy with what we've done. We've really started working a lot here in this, and it's nice to have my wife up here working a lot now. We got her YouTube channel going, and I've got some things set up to help film for her channel that I wanted to show you, including her new desk. This is her Edison sit-stand desk that we got from IKEA. It is really nice. It's a match to my desk, except hers is black and mine is brown. Currently, she's got a cover over the whole thing because it's acting as a work table for all of her crafts and videos that she's making, including painting and stuff, and she doesn't want to get paint all over. So I have this, mat over the top of it to keep it from getting messed up. But this is her workspace, and this is originally what we planned on doing is having this actually going down the length of the room like this, but we found that it's actually going to be better if we turned it the other way. So we have it now parallel with the window wall there, and it's just giving a lot more space and flow around the room. One of the things I want to give a shout out to is Chris at Coalition Gaming. I'll provide a link to his YouTube channel in the description, but he had the idea of using some of these old monopods that we were using for key lights. And since I've got my own key lights from Elgato now, I didn't really have much of a use for these monopods. Well, he come up with the idea of building a horizontal top-down mount for cameras and such using these monopods. So I went and bought a couple of these C-clamps. You can see them right here. We can get them real close, but these little C-clamps right here, you can get them on Amazon. And I bought a set of 3 of them. I'm using 2 on the monopods, and I'm using another one right here for this microphone mount for my shotgun mic. And this is a closet rod that I bought from Lowe's for like 15 bucks. It was on sale, and it's perfect length. It's 6 feet. This whole thing is portable, so if I wanted to do top-down shots on my commentary desk over here for doing reviews, I could move it over and use it on my desk, which is the intention. I don't want anything permanent. I'd like to be able to move things around and use it as I need. So anyway, great solution here. Really good. Big shout out to Chris. I'll provide that video too if you're interested in doing this for yourself. But anyway, works really well. My wife's YouTube channel is off and running. We've done about 5 videos now, or I'm working on the 5th video now. And that's one of the big camera shots that we use, is that top-down shot, in addition to me using my phone and this gimbal that I'm currently using to do, face-on shots and stuff like that, moving shots, which works really well. Some of the other stuff that I've done is I've added RGB. As you can see, the RGB is all here on my commentary desk now, and my unboxing desk, which is really nice. And I've also added it to the back of my Calyx unit and on my shelf right here, which is really nice. The cool thing about these are Govee RGB lights. They're Alexa enabled, and I can say, Alexa, change the color to the studio lights to blue. Okay. Anyway, it works good if she can actually hear me talk, but you can see it's controlled on all of them. And there's all kinds of different things that you can do, including different color scenes. It even links to music. It has microphones built into the controllers so that you can then play music in the room, and it will, alternate off the beat of the songs, which is really nice. But total of like $60 to get these 3 sets of lights set up. And then of course I bought this Echo Dot, which you see right there. I bought that. That's a 4th generation Echo Dot that I'm using to control everything. And the eventual plan is, which I've also done, is I've bought Alexa enabled or smart enabled sockets that you can then use to turn off lights, and those will be plugged into these overhead lights that we have. We just have not installed them yet. So that is the goal, is to get those done, and then the whole room will be smart enabled, which is really neat. Other than that, that's really about all we've done. The big thing is the wife's desk. the camera set up now. And oh yeah, and also you see these key lights right here. These are key lights you can get on Amazon. I bought these for $130 for a set of them. It comes with both lights and these tripods, as you can see, and they're very tall. They get up to, let's see if we'll bring the other one over here. The other one is right there. You can see this one right there is about at full height, and then of course, you know, that one I have down low. But they're nice and bright. You can control the brightness, you can control the color temperature, works great. And they're battery powered if you want to use them in a place where you don't have access to, you know, power. So it's nice to have the battery packs there. And they typically, at 100% brightness, they typically last, I would say, about 15 or 20 minutes. At 50% brightness, they actually last a couple hours. So, but I never operate them at 100%. You know, typically they're about 75% at the brightest. So those are really nice, and they've helped out a lot with the filming, and they're, you know, again, they're portable, so I can use them anywhere in the studio that I need, including when I'm doing unboxings. I'll use them over here on the B-roll desk or the commentary desk, whatever you want to call it. But other than that, I do have a review coming out soon on this ring light you can see here. This is the Toner TRL20. It's a 12-inch ring light, really designed for mobile phones. That'll be coming out here soon. They sent it to me for free. I get to keep it. That's the payment. You know, but I'm going to give them my unbiased review of it. They want to know what I think about it, and I'm going to tell them. So anyway, I got that out. And then the last thing, I want to give an update on what I have planned for the future with the channel. I haven't put out a lot of videos because I've been really focusing on getting my wife's stuff together and trying to pour as much editing into her videos as possible. But I do have a lot of videos that I plan on using Prism Live Studio to do. Prism Live Studio, of course, you've seen some videos that I've put out in the past on it. But recently, they've come out with some really good updates using your mobile phone as a webcam, for instance, which is a huge one. I want to do a tutorial on that and some of the new features that they've come out with. But I really think it's a viable option for people who are looking for something other than Streamlabs OBS, because it is basically OBS Studio, just their own kind of look, kind of the way Streamlabs OBS is, but it's a lot more efficient, a lot more optimized, and I'm telling you, it works really good, and you get all the plug-in support that OBS Studio gives you. That's why I think it's such a great option for people to try. So anyway, I'm going to have just basic tutorials, but instead of using OBS Studio, I'm going to use Prism Live Studio because I want more people to know about it. It's free. You can get the mobile version to stream off your phone. You can get the desktop version to stream off your PC, and the mobile version and the PC version integrate together really nicely and give you some really cool features. So that's the plan coming for the future. I do want to do some overlay, you know, scene building videos, and I want to do some using Nerd or Die's latest packages just to show you how easy it is to do it manually using Prism Live Studio or OBS Studio. But that's the plan going forward for the next few months. And if there's any more products that I see on the radar that I think is worthy of a good review, I'll try my best. One thing I do have another review coming out, and this is one that is an unpaid. I did not get paid for this. As a matter of fact, Chris Coalition Gaming sent me his AverMedia Streamer Cam 513 to me to do a review on it. It is their 4K webcam, and I've already got all the footage done. It's just a matter of really putting it together. But let me tell you, I love this camera so much that I went ahead and bought one, right? So I've bought me one now. This is my camera. I bought it off Amazon. AverMedia just put out a sale alert, and it may still be on sale at Best Buy for $179. That's $20 cheaper than what I paid for it, and I thought that the $200 was a good deal. Trust me, this camera, if you're looking for a nice stream cam, this is a great option. I think it's the cheapest option that you can get at 4K right now, and it does give you a nice quality look. I think most people will be very pleased with it. And I'm going to use it for other things too, because my mirrorless is primarily now being made for content videos. This will be used for streams and for just, you know, tutorials where I'm sitting at my desk now. So Anyway, that's the update, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have a video that goes live. But other than that, guys, thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll see you later.